store.
Nice, guys.
We're going to. What's the name of the place?
That smile on your face. What'd you say?
So this is pretty cool.
Cool room. Just
Look
got
at
in the
this.
room.
Look, go downstairs.
This bed looks comfortable too.
Tiny room, but looks good.
We need USBs. Let's see if they have USBs with all this crazy technology.
Wait, what's the... Why the lights went off?
Might be one of those like put a card in the door type rooms.
I don't see it. What the heck? Do you guys figure it out? What happened to the lights?
Yeah, Achilles, you touching something?
Yeah, I have control too.
Go, put it up.
Good morning. We're in London. Just woke up. It is around 11. I'm gonna get breakfast.
Achilles, where are we?
We're in London.
We're in London. All right, mate. This is my English breakfast. We got some beans, tomatoes going on. This is actually vegan, but love it. That looks so good. Ooh, that looks amazing. Nice, guys. Let's eat. Oh, there's more coming. Alright, we decided to go to the London Eye. We're about to hop in the tube. Not really sure how this, how we buy tickets and stuff, but we're about to find out. We found her. You know what? I'm actually surprised that it's not raining. It's actually sunny and it's not cold, it's not hot. It's around like 50 to 60 degrees. Feels good. There she is. What do you think, Kiki? That giant boat is blocking.
Wait, isn't that the London Bridge?
That's the London Bridge right there, but right here you get the perfect view. Are we vlogging? We are vlogging.
First time in London. I've been in London a lot. First time I've been in London that it's not dry, gray, and rainy. It's a little cold, but it's not bad. It's nice. The sun is out. It looks beautiful. Probably one of the most beautiful times I've ever been here. It's very cool.
Achilles Rochas.
First time in London.
First time in London, baby. Jasmine, you'll be here soon. London Bridge, check. What else? We still gotta do the London Eye and
Big Ben.
Big Ben and
Big Ben's right there.
where?
It's that building right there.
You sure?
It's right here. It's really close to this
It
bridge.
doesn't look that big though.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna Google it right now. It's
'Cause-
really close to this bridge. If I'm not
yeah.
mistaken.
Put on the map.
What is that? That's cool. Whatever that is old.
Everything's cool here because everywhere you look, it's like a piece of history. Yeah, like the buildings. You see so much history. It's pretty cool. I feel like every country in Europe.
Is it called Big Ben?
I don't know. All right, let's keep going. V. Okay, we got some manchinhas. Jim stopping by to say hello.
Por quê?
Salesman.
Finalmente conheci o garoto, a criança, né? Pequenininho, coitado. Estamos na
Hey,
câmera.
tudo bom?
Bem-vindo. Acho que não sei. Faz sim ou não?
Né? Fazer o quê? Fazer o quê?
You can't leg lock me. You can leg lock me in training. Right?
Like the only way It's the only stop.
What are you guys doing? Oh, it's breaking. What?
I'm gonna hit you now. Don't be upset because you got hit on the camera. Let go of my phone. Alright, I'm done. Stop, man. I'm eating at
This looks so good.
This looks so good.
Ta-da!
I don't know how that
Alright.
looks good.
Doing a light eating before working out.
My name is Sam. I'm a mental performance coach to Jasmine and Vagner as well. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah. He's here for the 3 days of seminar. Tomorrow we're having lunch with him. Awesome.
The second time that Vagner comes to the gym.
Gotta control the head. Control the head, control the body.
It's definitely easier than teaching in Poland.
What is it?
It's definitely easier than teaching in Poland.
Language barrier? Yeah,
The guard has it. Oh, throw me in a triangle.
for sure. Rest. Yep.
I said Jasmine has gotten significantly better because of Sam. Sam is. I'm
Sam.
Sam, tell the world who you are. This is gonna go on our video vlog.
You already said.
Already
Do
said.
it again.
Sam Antonin, mental performance coach. Holla at me.
Yes.
What's your Instagram handle?
At Sam Antonin. ANTONEN.
Sam is an amazing coach. I believe your mind is the strongest tool you have on your body, and I feel like most people don't know how to use it well. And I've always felt like I've had a really good, strong mind and done things in my game to make sure I'm prepared mentally for competition. But leading into ADCC, I spent 2 months we worked together,
2 months, yeah.
2 to 3 months together, and because Jasmine was already working with him before that, and I wanted to see if there was holes for me, and man, it was so many things that Sam just kind of pointed out to me that I didn't even pay attention to, that I was already doing, that I needed to make sure I had done right and fixed, that made all the difference when I got to the tournament. So if you want to be a professional athlete, you want to be a good, the best of the world, you got to have somebody working with you in your mind, because your mind is going to play games with you, and if you have somebody who can direct you back in the right place, it's the big thing. So check this guy out. If you don't know him, look him up.
I am so
Leticia.
cold. It's
Leticia
very
Ribeiro.
cold. The
Why is there so many
temperature,
Jiu-Jitsu
like,
people with the last
dropped.
name Ribeiro?
Guys, end of seminar. What's happening right now?
Looking at magazines.
Nostalgia.
Racing mag.
Nostalgia. No, but for real.
Recap. We're looking at the history of Jiu-Jitsu on the wall at Munchin School here in London Fight Factory. And about to go eat something. Just finished the seminar at London Fight Factory, first one of the 3. And then hungry. Always hungry.
I just wanted to get like.
Leave you by yourself.
Okay, aw, you're a good son. I love you. Where am I going? Straight?
He'll throw you on the bar.
Good place to take pictures.
Yeah, for sure.